This video will provide you on how to use Brilliant Rejuvenating Facial Set. Here are the ways for you to use it in your daily needs. First is for the KOJIC acid soap. It can be used in the morning and night as your daily cleanser. Next is the Rejuvenating Facial Toner. After cleansing with Brilliant Skin KOJIC acid soap, place a small amount of Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Toner on a swab of cotton and spread evenly on your face and neck with upward motion. Use this twice daily for 1 month. Resume treatment after a month of rest. Rejuvenating cream is being used after using Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Toner. Gently apply Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Cream evenly on your face and neck with upward motion. Use once a day, preferably before bedtime, for 1 month. Resume treatment after a month of rest. Lastly, the Sunblock Cream SPF 30/Sunblock Gel SPF 30. Use Brilliant Skin Sunblock Cream SPF 30 or Sunblock Gel SPF 30 during daytime, especially when you apply Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Facial Toner and Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Cream at night for added protection during the entire exfoliation process. Apply 30 minutes before sun exposure and reapply as needed. Those are the basic instruction on how to use each item of Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. For more videos and tips of our products, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.